If you have checked the news recently, you have seen the headlines. As of now in 2026, gold isn't just doing well, it's breaking history. We are currently sitting at over 3,710 pounds an ounce. And silver? It's the story of the year, having skyrocketed over 50% since January 1st to cross the 80-pound mark. If you feel like you are late to the party or you are worried about inflation eating your savings, don't panic. Today I'm going to show you exact beginner-friendly way to buy these metals right now here in the UK. Without needing a literal safe in your floorboard or paying 20% VAT. Let's get right into it. So, why the sudden rush? We have just seen gold shatter massive 3,660 pounds, the psychological barrier driven by central banks buying record amounts of global uncertainty. Silver is the hidden gem of 2026. It's not just a hedge, it's a massive part of AI and green energy boom. It's used in almost every piece of high-end hardware. But here is the problem. For us in the UK, if you buy physical silver bars, you usually have to pay 20% VAT. That means you are down 20% the second you buy it. The solution we are using today is ETCs, or exchange traded commodities. These allow you to track the price of metal without the tax and storage headaches. So, what are the best ways to buy? When you are looking for the most reliable and the cheapest way to buy, two names stand out in the UK. SGLN and SSLN. These are physically backed ETCs managed by BlackRock. SGLN is the iShares Physical Gold. This is the gold standard for UK investors. This is one of the most liquid assets in the country. You can buy or sell millions of pounds worth of it instantly without moving the price. And the best part? The fees. The ongoing charge is just 0.12% per year. That's almost nothing compared to the cost of insuring and storing the real gold yourself. The second one is SSLN, iShares Physical Silver. This tracks the silver price with a fee of just 0.2%. Remember that 20% VAT I mentioned? By buying SSLN, you are bypassing the tax entirely because you aren't taking delivery of the metal yourself. So why are they so trusted? Every share of SGLN or SSLN you buy is backed by real physical metal held in high security vaults in London by JP Morgan. These are LBMA, good delivery bars, meaning they are the highest purity and audited regularly. You are not buying paper gold, you are buying a claim on real bullion sitting in a vault under the streets of London. To buy these, you need a UK broker. In 2026, the best one depends on how you like to manage your money. InvestEngine or Trading 212. These are the low-cost champions. They offer zero commission trading and no platform fees. They are perfect if you want a simple mobile-friendly experience where every single pound goes towards the gold rather than fees. AJ Bell or Hargreaves Lansdown. I call these the full-service giants. They charge a small percentage fee around 0.25 to 0.45%, but in return you get incredible customer service, deep research tools. If you want the peace of mind of a big established UK institution with a human on the end of the phone, these are the ones for you. We also have Interactive Investor. This is a flat fee specialist. Instead of taking a percentage of your wealth, they charge a flat monthly subscription. This is brilliant if you are planning to build a large nest egg over time, as your costs stay the same even if your gold holdings grow into hundreds of thousands. Here is exactly how you do it. It takes less than 5 minutes. Open a stocks and shares ISA. This is vital. In the UK, an ISA means any profit you make from gold or silver going up is 100% tax-free. Search for the ticker. Search for SGLN for gold or SSLN for silver. To place your order, you can buy as little as one share, usually around £70 for gold and much less for silver. Click buy and that's it. You now officially own a slice of gold bar sitting in a London vault. A quick pro tip, don't check the prices every 10 minutes. Gold and silver are hedges. They are there to protect your wealth over years, not days. Most experts suggest keeping around 5 to 10% of your total portfolio in metals to balance out your stocks and bonds. By using SGLN and SSLN methods in the ISA, you have avoided the taxman, skipped the VAT, and secured your wealth in the most liquid way possible. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. I have put the specific ticker symbols in the description below. Happy investing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.